Hello my YouTube family. So this is my sewing machine setup. Previously I shared a video. Instead of using scissors over here, you can use a thread cutter so that it may need less space and you can save your scissors getting damaged, because many a times scissors can fall from this table. So if you don't have cutter or if you don't have extra scissors to keep it near to your machine, then I have a small DIY for you, so please watch that. So let's get started. So this is a Colgate mouth floss, dental floss we call it. Be it of any brand, that's not a problem. So after use, don't throw this. You can directly use it as a thread cutter, because it has a cutter, and I just take a thread and just place it over here and cut it easily. And it has a mouth, so you can just close it. But if you don't want this thick bottle to keep near to your machine, then I have another idea for you. What you have to do is open this, and in order to remove this, just be little careful while removing. So this bottle gets open. Now to just take this out, this piece out, and this we don't need. Now I have taken here a cardboard. So this is a cardboard I have taken. I folded it into two, and then again I folded it like this. Now this part we will just attach this like this. Now it is firmly attached. What we have to do over here is, just for an example, take this thread. Whenever you want to cut the thread, just keep your thumb like this, and then easily you can break this. So what we can do now is, we will just keep this near to our machine. And we can keep it over here so that it doesn't need more space, and we don't have to keep such heavy scissors over here. So I hope you like this video. If you have any question, or if you want to know about sewing, if you have any question in your mind, just leave me a comment. Thank you for watching.